My name is Duncan. I chose the TRAK Gulf Island tour because it was a really good introduction to the boat. The way it was presented, the way it turned out was exactly what I needed. It was a gentle introduction to the boat. We got out there, we had the support, we had the remoteness, the isolation. It was a fantastic experience. And those 4 days, with a couple of days in between, set us up beautifully for coming out here to Tofino and this incredible surf, and then getting right into the instruction, the lessons, the skills that we needed to take on the surf. For me, the main highlights of this trip were meeting the TRAK crew, becoming part of the family, becoming part of the TRAK family was a huge highlight for me. Working with the instructors and the pilots, having that support on hand, having them right there, watching you, coaching you, showing you how to do things, talking you through it, coming up with different ways of presenting the lesson, and then that light bulb and feeling it, not just understanding, but feeling the skills. I've learned just how versatile this boat is, and I've also learned that there are a lot of very passionate people involved in TRAK. When I got my TRAK at the camp, the team helped me put it together. They showed me how to put it together. They pointed out little things, the clips you need to bear in mind, the best way to get the skin fitted. So for me, it was ideal getting the TRAK at the camp. The learning progression at the camps is second to none. They look at everyone in the group. They think about what skills they have. They think about where they are, what their goals are, if they're realistic, and how to get them there. And it's almost a tailor-made program for every person on the camp. It's, yeah, I've never experienced anything like this before. I think that I'm going to be leaving this camp a better person. I'm going to have better connections and maybe even a better outlook on life.